Atongoria matiganite matongoretio ni Mutongoria wa Bururi William Ruto ni manyitanĩire mahoya ma kũhoera bururi. Riri bururi ũgũmĩirwo ni mathĩna maingĩ. Mutongoria wa bururi ni augite ati thirikari ena mubango wa guthamia aria me Katikaini ya Guthererio ni mai Mbura nene Kwirigiriro bururi-ini kwa miaka 7 yukite.
A few weeks ago, as you all know, we went through another storm of floods and we lost 200 people in Kenya. We have also had to relocate already 27,000 people from riparian reserves. We have spent close to 300 million shillings to make sure that these people who have been relocated have alternative places to stay. We still have another 13,000 that we are processing so that we can relocate them. And because we have been told that there will be above normal rains in Kenya for the next 7 years, we have to be careful so that we don't again put Kenyans in danger. And that is why, as a government, we have said we will relocate Kenyans who live in fragile ecosystems along riparian reserves because we cannot afford to lose any life anymore.
Handu-ini ha Muthingi TV, itago wa ngui wa Muriuki.